I found out about pregnancy center on the website, so I went there for pregnancy test. I explained it to the nurse. I said, right now, I don't want to tell nobody. But she was like, do you have anybody to talk to? I was like, not right now because I just moved to Greensboro. I don't have a friend. I always home. So she was like, okay, I will help you so you can talk to some people. They will call you, get to talk to you like a 30-minute hour. I said, okay, that would be great. So it's not even a week. Miss Christine called me. When she said, oh, I would love to take you for lunch, I said, okay, that would be nice. And that was my first time to meet her.
I learned about the Titus II program through some individuals at our church here, and they put out a kind of question and said, does anyone want to help and be a part of this new program called Titus II, where you just have someone who comes in and just be a friend, just talk. And so I said, sure, that sounds really fun. And that way I got to meet Fanta.
I have a support because she called me and checked on me because I was not having that person over here. She called me and checked on me if she has something going on with her family. She said, oh, will you love to go with me? I would say yes, because it's like an experience. Like my first baseball game since I came, that was my first time going for a baseball game. So it was a great experience with her and her family. I met some church people, so it was great to meet all of them.
Just hearing her story and all the things that she's had to endure through life as far as coming over when she was really young here to America, and then living in different places because of family, and then not having family here in Greensboro. She has no one, and so, you know, I always ask her, how are you feeling? Are you sleeping okay? And, you know, are you eating good? And does the doctor say everything is okay? And she's always like, yes, yes, yes. So trying to kind of take care of her like you would a daughter, just checking on, is she taking care of herself through this?
Miss Christie has become part of my family. I even, sometimes I even say, oh, that's my baby grandma.
Being a mentor and getting to meet Fanta, going out to lunch, going to do some fun things, texting each other, calling each other. It's just been really fun because there's things that maybe she doesn't want to talk about to her family, but that she'll share with me. And then there's celebrations that we get to do together. Like when she found out she's having a little boy, that was just a great celebration, and I was honored to be a part of that and someone that she thought of first. And so it's a great program, and I've enjoyed being a part of it.